Hello everyone, welcome to Taste Like Mo Kitchen. How are you guys doing today? I'm on here about to stir fry some vegetables. I already have my butter and garlic and a little um, avocado oil in my skillet, and I'm just sauteing it. Right here I have mushrooms, red onions, zucchini, squash, green beans, and bell pepper. And I'm about to saute it in my skillet. We're gonna start out with the onion. And I'm gonna just let more people just keep coming on here. We're gonna start out with the onion and mushrooms. Put that in there. Just a little bit. Stir fry that together first. Let me get all my onion out. I say, let me go on TikTok. I ain't been on TikTok in a minute. And do me a little stir fry. I did me some meatloaf, some turkey ground meatloaf, and some red garlic mashed potatoes. So now I'm just sauteing some vegetables to go with it. And I'm doing it because I need lunch. I ate a salad tonight. We're going to be seasoning with onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, Cajun seasoning, a little red pepper flakes, a little parsley. What else I want to use? I'm going to put a little of my mushroom mix in there. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Some of y'all might come at the end when y'all catch it after I already put it in the skillet. But this is a little way I like to do my green beans sometimes, where I put zucchini and squash in there. We're going to put the red bell pepper in there too. Let me try to get it. Scrape a little of that in there. And then we're going to come with the green beans and stuff. As soon as I get this sauteed a little, the green beans and zucchini. Because I don't want them to be too wilted. Hello, Angela. How are you? Thanks for joining my live. I'm sauteing some vegetables to go with, I guess you could say tomorrow's meal, tomorrow's lunch. Because I will be bringing some for lunch to work. But right now I'm just sauteing. Let me see if I can bring it out in where you can see. I'm sauteing my bell peppers and onion and mushrooms. Hello everyone. Thanks for joining. Hello, La Patrice. Right now I'm just sauteing the onions and mushrooms. Let me move some of this stuff. I put in there some garlic, minced garlic, and red bell pepper and mushrooms and red onion. So now I'm going to put, hello everyone, thanks for joining my live. I'm putting the zucchini and squash and green beans. I know that's different, but that's how I do it sometimes. Look, I'm dropping green beans on my stove. This is how I do it sometimes. And it's really good. The combination is really good together. So I put the mushroom, bell peppers, and onion in there already. I just added the zucchini and the squash. And we're going to just stir fry it. As soon as I season it, I'm going to turn that fire up a little bit. Hello everyone. We coming in with some Cajun seasoning, Louisiana Cajun seasoning. That's a healthier choice to me other than using Tony Satura's. Tony Satura's have MSG in there and I don't use MSG. I'll put a little red pepper flakes. We're going to sprinkle a little parsley. Some garlic powder. I love garlic. Some onion powder. Hello everyone, thank you for joining my live. I'm big on flavor. And some smoked paprika. And we gon', oh, and I want to put some of my vegetable blend on here. By McCormick. This is the last of it. I put it on all my stuff. It's real good. You can tell that's one of my favorite seasonings. Because it's gone. Hello everyone. So I'm going to turn the fire up so I can saute. Get them vegetables going. Because you know they got to be really flavored and seasoned. And what I do is not at that stage yet. But what I do, I normally have chicken broth. Just in case it starts sticking, and I just put some of that in there. But I started it with garlic, butter, a little butter, some minced garlic, and I put some a little not grapeseed oil, a little avocado oil in there too. So that's not potatoes. This is zucchini, squash, green beans, mushrooms, and onion and bell pepper. Let me taste it. Let's see. Oh yeah, it got a good flavor. Hello Debbie. Hello Tony. Thanks for joining. Hello user 10818. Hello. So Taste Like Mo is a food vlog where I promote healthier choices. Sometimes I might cook regular food. Sometimes I may not. I might still cook it healthier, but you may catch me cooking something that the average person might say, well, that ain't healthy, but it is, because I'm changing up my seasonings, making sure that I'm not using the worst seasonings. Thank you for a glitter badge. Thank y'all. Thank y'all so much. Hello Pam. Hello Crystal. Thank y'all for joining my live. I'm doing green beans and zucchini, mushrooms and onion as a stir fry, because I did some garlic mashed potatoes and some meatloaf with red gravy. And this is the vegetables I chose to go on the side, but it will be for my lunch. And I turn the fire up so I could cook it and it saute real good. Hello Miss T. Hello Peggy. Hello Tawanda. Hello everyone. Thank y'all for joining my live. I am Mo. And welcome to Taste Like Mo Kitchen. I'm Mo. And you're in my kitchen while I'm cooking. Really for lunch. I said I gotta go on TikTok or something so I can keep it going, because I'm ready to go to bed. Hold on a minute. So ready to go to bed. But I said I'm gonna get on TikTok, and I know y'all gonna help me stay on here and cook. Hello everyone. Hello. Thanks for joining my live. Welcome to Taste Like Mo Kitchen. This steam, y'all, is hot. Hello everyone. Hello Amaya. Hello. I'm sauteing my zucchini and squash and green beans and onion, accompanied by some portobello mushrooms. I have my mashed potato. Thank you. You want a better look at it? Let me see if I can switch the camera. I don't even see how you do it no more. Wait a minute. There you go. We have zucchini, squash, red bell pepper, red onion, portobello mushroom is in there. It's not a whole lot, but it's in there. I did some garlic mashed potatoes. And I did meatloaf with red gravy. Yep. The mushroom make it very delicious. Very, very delicious. Well, I'm really eating, this is really gonna be my lunch because I had a salad when I got home. I was supposed to cook yesterday, so I had prepped everything and had it ready. But I ended up not cooking, so I said, let me get it done tonight so I won't have to be spending money on lunch. So I won't be eating tonight. Mr. Brown might, but I won't be eating. Thank you. Hold on a minute. So because I don't have vegetable broth or chicken broth, I have some spring water and I'm gonna just put a little bit in there. Just a little. Because we want them green beans to get all that flavor in there. Just a little spring. I use spring water. Yeah, y'all don't have to do that. You use whatever kind of water you want to. And I know because of the amount of flavor that I put in there, that it should be fine. So I'm gonna cook this probably about 10 more minutes or less. Probably about 10 more minutes. Let me get my top. So I'm gonna cover it up and let it cook about 10 more minutes. And then it will be ready. It will be ready. But I appreciate you guys for coming to my live and helping me get through finishing cooking. I appreciate you guys for that. But just know that I'll be back soon cooking something else. But I appreciate everybody for coming to my live. The time I was on here, I was not trying to go too long. Just show y'all my vegetables, how I do it. So I started out with a little avocado oil, some minced garlic, a little slice of butter, and I let that saute with the minced garlic and get the flavor going in there. And then I added the onions and the mushrooms and the bell peppers. And then I added the rest, the zucchini and the squash and the green beans. So now we got it sauteing And it's gonna be all good when it finished. I'm gonna have the most delicious lunch. Y'all know I'm gonna come on here and take a picture. I'm gonna put a picture on here of the complete meal, probably from my lunch tomorrow. Because once that's finished, I'm putting everything in containers, and Mo is going to bed. I will be going to bed. But it's humid here in Louisiana. And the air is on, but it's just really humid. I had the oven on in the kitchen, so all of that was a factor. But again, thank you guys for joining my live. Don't forget to follow. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to keep watching. Oh, Tastes Like Mo Kitchen. Go follow me. Follow. And with that being said, I love y'all for real. Peace.